Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this started out as a test for me, when I'm buying, when I plan to buy an M2. I bought, I think, a couple, I even unboxed those, the Chevy Corvette Stingray, and there was one more. I'm not remembering the name now, but that is also a Chevy, I guess. So, I quickly became a fan of M2 missions. So see, usually this comes somewhere around 1000 or 1200 or even 900 sometimes. So it has awesome detailing and it comes with an acrylic case. What do you need more? And with a base as well. So that is really awesome for the price. Okay, let's unbox this. So I bought it from one of the guy from Facebook. I don't remember his name, but this is how I got it. So I really didn't own any Detroit Muscle series, so I bought this one. And specifically, I'm a fan of Ford Mustang, so I bought it. Let's open it and see how this one looks. It's a bit dusty and all, but let me see. Okay, let me just clean it up real quick. I don't know whether he used it and sold it to me or how it is. It does have a lot of dust. Oh my god. Okay, so now we need to open this now. Okay, here it is. I'm not sure where this is supposed to go, but it just fell down. Okay, I need to unscrew this car, so just give me a minute, guys. I'll just unscrew and get back to you all. Give me a minute. Okay, so here it is, guys. I just unscrewed it. So this is the first time I'm seeing an M2 with some kind of support here in the base, because whatever I owned so far, it doesn't have any base. So it is actually very dusty and the screws are a bit rusted on the top. Okay, let's just keep this aside and let's look at the car. It is a bit dusty, I can say. Okay, but let's just close everything once and let's just observe the car first. Okay, let me just clean it up real quick. Okay, so here it is. So the initial impressions of this car are like, it looks good, but as you can see, there are some paint issues. I'm not sure if it is just can remove it by scratching or it's just a permanent one. Okay, there is an issue. Maybe the guy who sold it to me, maybe he kept it outside and then he repacked it and sold it, I guess. Next time, if you guys buying it from Facebook, just check with everyone if it is a new piece or if it is a opened one. So this guy didn't mention anything when he sold it to me. Okay, so the headlights are having some kind of acrylics, and I don't see this side it is fully covered, and this side I'm not sure if it is transparent or it is okay. It is covered, but it is not what you can say. It is not matching. The car is a bit heavy because it's fully made of metal. The body and chassis both are made of metal, and so the wheels are actually made of rubber. This is rubber, all these things. It has some good chassis detailing to it, which I really love about M2. But next time when I'm planning to buy this, I'm just going to buy it from someone who I really trust. Okay, this has openable doors as well. It's a bit tight. Okay, so one thing I really love about this piece, I mean, at least most of the M2s, they include this piece here, you can see. It is not metal or anything, it's actually acrylic, which is really nice. It has some awesome engine, interior detailing to it. Let me just try to show it this way. I hope you guys can see it. Let me just close it for a minute. You can see the interior detailing here. So there are a lot of scratches. So the tail lights actually are made of some kind of plastic, like a chromed plastic, and then just painted on top of it. But it is really good. I'm not complaining here on on that part. It does look really good, and the exhaust is just protruding out of the the body here, which is really nice. Okay, so it does engine detailing also. Let me just put it this way, which is really nice. I'm not sure if these are made of metal or plastic. I never actually checked that one. Yeah, that is made of plastic, it is not metal. So the logo placements are really nice. This looks really nice. Okay, let's see if it has suspension. No, it doesn't have suspension like other M2s. Let's do a roll test. It doesn't roll at all. So someone, I think in my comments, they told, if they are going to pay this much, and if they want to play, they need to play. See, it's up to you guys. If you want to play with your car which you purchased with your money or your parents' money, go on and play with it. If you are buying specifically to play with it. So since I am a collector and I am actually 34, so I'm not going to play with it like you guys. So I just want to admire these cars, because end of the day we are not going to see all these cars in our life. So this is the best we can do. As a collector, we just buy all these things and just look at it and admire the car culture overall. So I'm not going to play with it or anything. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.